would you like to have a piece of banana bread? Okay, I'm gonna take this one in the middle. Guys, it's just perfect. Now I'm gonna eat. It's soft. Guys, it's very advisable. Especially you're gonna make some smoothie. Just check on my past video and you can find it. This is so good. Please try to do it as well. It's super easy, very simple. It's worth it.
I used 3 very ripe bananas and mashed it with the fork, but if you have this potato masher, it is perfect. Then I added 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, then I beat it a little bit before adding the olive oil. I used 1/4 cup of olive oil instead of butter. Then I add 1½ cup of plain flour and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it all together until smooth. I prefer to mix it manually rather than electric mixer so I can feel the banana texture when it is finished. Brush with olive oil the bottom of your loaf pan and even the sides. Sprinkle some flour before adding the mixture. And now, add the batter slowly using the spatula. Scrape the sides so you will not waste any. Sprinkle some rolled oats on top. If you have, then if you don't have, it doesn't matter. And give it a little shake. Bake it in the oven for 165 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes, and you can extend up to 1 hour if you want it a little bit brown on top. Let's check our bread. Alright, just bring it here. Okay, let's try to poke this with the barbecue stick. Oh, it looks clean.
Look at this, guys. I'm gonna show you something. I think this really looks good. A very simple banana bread recipe. This banana bread looks perfect. Not saying because I'm the one who make it, but I think it's really good. The only thing that matters is here it's a bit bulgy, but you know, it looks perfect though. Look at that. Now we're gonna try it, okay? Let's get a knife. Piece of banana bread. Okay, I'm gonna take this one in the middle. Guys, it's just perfect. Now I'm gonna eat. It's soft. It's so perfect, guys. It's not too sweet because I only put 1/2 cup of sugar. And I put brown sugar instead of white. Guys, it's very advisable. Especially you're gonna make some smoothie. Just check on my past video and you can find it. This is so good. Please try to do it as well. It's super easy, very simple.